In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 easy and super healthy paleo recipes and dive into this box from Green Chef to see what yummy meals they sent. So if you're stuck on what to cook this week, keep watching because I'm about to give you some ideas. Hey, my name is Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to get cooking with you today. If you're new to this channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you're the first to see my videos when they come out. Well, like the title says, we are making 3 paleo dishes today, something for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I don't follow a strict paleo diet, but a lot of the foods and the meals that I eat every week fall under that category, and I try to eat as many whole foods as possible anyway. I don't know if you have this problem, but I get stuck making the exact same meal every week. You know what I mean? Like when I find a meal that I like, I make it over and over and over and over again until I get so sick of it that I don't want to cook anymore and I literally can't figure out what to make. If that's you, leave a comment so that I know I'm not alone. That is why I love Green Chef, because they deliver 3 new, super creative, yummy meals to my doorstep every week, and I never get bored, and I don't even have to think about it. I've tried several different meal service companies, and Green Chef is my favorite for multiple reasons. First, their recipes are quick. By the time it comes to dinner, I don't have time to spend an hour or 2 in the kitchen making an entree for myself. I live alone. Nobody has time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Most of their recipes are under 30 minutes, and the ones I get serve 2, so I can eat one and then save the other for later, which also cuts down on cooking later in the week. It's also nice because everything is pre-measured and prepped, which also cuts down on prepping time. Another amazing thing I love about Green Chef is that since they send me all the ingredients that I need for the recipe, I don't have to worry about wasting food or having a ton of leftover ingredients that are just gonna go bad in my fridge. Also, their meals are super fresh and they're healthy. Sometimes I feel like the meals can trick you. You might think that they're healthy, but then the more you look into it, they're actually not. But with Green Chef, it's great because you can choose between a keto plan, they have a paleo plan, a plant-powered plan, and a balanced living plan. So depending on what lifestyle or diet you're following, it's really easy to maintain these healthy habits with Green Chef. I got the paleo plan because, like I said, I loosely follow a paleo-based diet, and the meals in that plan looked so yummy. Okay, in this box we have Korean chicken and veggie rice, yum, harissa spice shrimp, and shaved steak and mushroom bulgogi. Oh my gosh, how fun and creative are these? They're always switching up their meals, and they range from all types of global cuisine to the classic comfort food, which I really appreciate because then it forces me to try something new. Another fun fact about Green Chef is they are the most sustainable meal service. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions and inbox plastic. Oh my gosh, these all look so good, but I'm getting ahead of myself. We can't have dinner before we have breakfast and lunch, so let's get started with our breakfast. I'm gonna show you how to make pumpkin protein pancakes. This is one of my favorite breakfasts, and it's so easy. In a bowl, we're going to combine half a cup of pumpkin puree, 3/4 cups of egg whites, a 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed, and a little bit of cinnamon. Once it's all combined, we're gonna heat some coconut oil on a skillet and fry each pancake. Once they're done, I love stacking them and then drizzling some almond butter on top. Now for lunch, we're gonna make a big salad to get all of our veggies in. In a big bowl, we're gonna add about 4 cups of spinach, half a cup of chopped cucumbers, half of an avocado diced, 1/3 cup of chopped mango, 1 handful of sunflower seeds, a teaspoon of olive oil, and the juice of 1 lemon. You can also add some blueberries or pomegranate seeds to this if you want. If you have a lid, just plop that on and then shake everything around, and you have the most yummy and fresh salad. Okay, now for dinner, the meal I'm most excited for. You guys, this is why I love Green Chef. It gets me excited about cooking. I think today I'm gonna do the shaved steak and mushroom bulgogi because it looks incredible. Each meal comes with a card like this, and it has really easy step-by-step directions to follow, so if you're not the best cook, this will work for you. Look, it even has pictures. Another thing I wanted to show you guys, when I opened the box, they have a gift of the week. This week, it's some hemp seeds and a little hemp granola bar. It's so nice, they threw in a little something extra. And then they also give you some premium perks. Inside here, we have some coupons to some more energy bars and then some beauty products. They were so sweet to give me a code. If you wanna try Green Chef, you can use this code to get a discount and free shipping. So I also put that information and a link down in the description box below if you wanna check that out. Okay, let's get started. All right, let's get everything out of our bag. See what we're working with. Looks like we've got a pepper, some cabbage and veggies, nuts, 2 things of sauce, and then some mushrooms. We've got our meat. Okay, what are we doing first? Prep and marinate the steak. We're gonna roughly chop the shaved steak into bite-sized pieces. Then we're gonna put it into a medium bowl and add about half of the sugar-free bulgogi style amino sauce. Season with salt and pepper and stir evenly to coat. Now we're gonna let that sit and marinate for about 5 minutes. Next, we're gonna wipe the cremini mushrooms with a damp paper towel and cut them into about 1/4 inch slices. Next, we're gonna roughly chop the cabbage and carrots, and lastly, cut the red bell pepper into 1/4 inch strips. Before we get to cooking, we're just gonna roughly chop these cashews. We're gonna heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large saute pan over medium heat. Add the mushrooms to the hot pan and season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper. These are gonna cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown. You wanna make sure you're stirring every now and then. Now move the mushrooms to the side of the pan and add steak to the center of the pan. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring every now and then. Now you're gonna add the remaining bulgogi style amino sauce and combine all of that with the steak and the mushrooms. You wanna let that simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the steak is fully cooked and the sauce is slightly reduced. Now take that off the heat. In another pan, you're gonna heat about 1.5 tablespoons of cooking oil over medium-low heat. Add your bell pepper, cabbage, and carrots and season with about 1/4 teaspoon of salt and just a pinch of pepper. That's gonna cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until the veggies are tender. Now add the sesame ginger amino sauce and stir until it's combined. Cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the sauce is warm. You can also add some salt and pepper if you want. And now we plate our dish. We're gonna mix half of the steak and mushroom bulgogi mix with the sauteed vegetables because remember this dish serves 2. And then lastly, we'll garnish with the cashews. All right, but now the real question is, how does it taste? I'm about to tell you. Wow, this is really good. It's so flavorful. I love the sauces that we use. This is so fresh and it's like literally bursting with flavor. And see, the thing I love about this is that I would have never made this on my own. Like, I don't think I would have gone to the store and gotten all the ingredients to make this entree. But because everything came in the box and it was already pre-measured, it was like the easiest recipe. And it's so good. You know it's good if it makes me dance. Very happy about this. I hope you love these recipes and give some of them a try. Again, if you want to try Green Chef, be sure to check the description box for that link so you can use my coupon code and get a discount. If you want more recipes, be sure to check them out on my blog, NicoleNomad.com. I have lots more up there, but let me know in the comments below what is your favorite paleo recipe or if there are any other recipes that you want to see on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you next week. Bye.